Hello everyone, and this is important video for Bihar examination point of view. So first, let's start from enterprises sector in Bihar. So we will know in this chapter important thing about enterprise, that is industry sector or tertiary sector. Okay. So Bihar, a state with abundant physical and human resources, has enormous potential for industrialization. And the state government has adopted several strategies for industrialization of the state. The state has developed agro processing industries based on its comparative advantage in the agriculture sector. The official data on informal enterprises shows that a significantly large section of the working age population has been engaged in small scale production activities. Importantly, the informal enterprises have contributed substantially to capital formation and employment generation in the state. Among the major agro based industries, dairy and sugar industries have performed particularly well. Bihar Industry Area Development Authority has facilitated industrialization in Bihar. So this is important. Bihar Industrial Area Development Authority is responsible for the industrialization in Bihar, and that is possible through several reforms. The impact of major reforms was visible as the level of investment has increased in last 2 years, and in last 2 years the level of investment is 1557 crore in 2018 to 19, and the tourism sector has also attracted a significantly large number of foreign and domestic tourists in last few years. So from this important point is that Bihar Industrial Development Authority is responsible for industrialization in Bihar, and also in last 2 years from 2017 to 18, and when we compare it in this year, that is 2018-19, it has significantly increased the amount that is invested uh, in this sector, that is 10283 crore to 1557 crore. Industrialization is a strong driver for promoting growth and eradicating economic disparities across countries. And since the distant past, Bihar has been suffering from surplus population in an agrarian economy, and burgeoning population has been migrating towards the urban city centers. Admittedly, the remittances from the migrants have positive impact on consumption demand, but it fails to add to the production capacity to the state economy. The most sustainable solution for this problem is rapid industrialization. Given the large size of working population, Bihar would require a kind of industrialization that is broadly labor intensive and also leads to large scale capital formation within the state, expanding the base of non agricultural economy. So when we see about the condition of people in living in Bihar, we see that only 11.3% of population live in urban areas, and there is a lack of industrialization policies and industrialization in Bihar. So and when we see that the gross state domestic product contribution of GSDP, uh, that tertiary sector contribute most in GSDP than any other sector, that is 59%, while in tertiary sector the involvement of people in tertiary sector is very less as compared